Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of sine square root of ax dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the combination of substitution rule and integration by part. Okay, so if you define square root of ax as t, therefore ax will be equal to t2. And if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you'll get a dx will be equal to 2t dt, okay? Or in other words, you can conclude dx is equal to 2 divided by a t dt, okay? So now if you substitute this equation and this one into this original integral, you can rewrite this integral as integral of sine. Instead of square root of ax, I write t, that will be sine t. And instead of dx, I write 2 divided by a, which is a constant. I take it out of the integral, t dt, that is t dt. Okay? And this integral now, you can solve it as integration by part, okay, using the formula for integration by part. That is the integral of u dv is equal to u v minus integral of v du, okay? And then, so here basically the integral of t sine t dt, if you want to calculate this one, you can define sine t dt as dv. Therefore, v will be equal to integral of sine t dt, which will be equal to minus cosine t, okay? And also you can define u as t, okay, this term. Therefore, du will be equal to dt, okay? So now you can use this formula to solve this integral, okay? So therefore, it will be equal to 2 divided by a, which is the constant, times uv, okay? U is t, and v is minus cosine t. Therefore, uv will be equal to minus t cosine t minus, okay, integral of v du, and v is minus cosine t. Therefore, minus times this minus will be plus cosine t, so integral of v du, and du is equal to dt, okay? Therefore, this one will be equal to 2 divided by a times minus t cosine t plus integral of cosine t dt is equal to sine t plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So here all you need to do is to substitute this parameter t with the definition of t, which was equal to square root of ax, okay? And so therefore this one will be equal to 2 divided by a times minus, instead of t, I write square root of ax cosine square root of ax plus sine square root of ax plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And this is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.